Why choose healthy, budget-friendly lunches?
Nutritious lunches don't have to be expensive. Preparing your own meals for work or school can save money, boost energy, and help manage your health. With a few creative ideas and smart planning, you can enjoy delicious, wholesome lunches that are affordable, easy to make, and satisfying throughout your busy day.
Meal prep tips for affordable lunches.
Plan your lunches for the week using simple staples like whole grains, beans, eggs, and seasonal vegetables. Preparing ingredients in advance saves time and reduces stress. Buying in bulk and using leftovers creatively can help you stick to your budget while minimizing food waste.
Easy lunch idea: green bowls.
Start with a base like brown rice, quinoa, or barley. Add beans or grilled chicken for protein, plus chopped vegetables such as carrots, spinach, or bell peppers. Top with a simple dressing made from olive oil and lemon. Grain bowls are versatile, filling, and offer balanced nutrition for a low cost.
Budget sandwiches and wraps.
Use whole wheat bread, pita, or tortillas with fillings like hummus and vegetables, hard-boiled eggs, or canned tuna mixed with Greek yogurt. Sandwiches and wraps are quick to assemble, travel well, and can be packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins without breaking the bank.
Smart snacks to complete your lunch.
Add affordable sides to your lunch such as fresh fruit, carrot sticks, homemade popcorn, or low-fat yogurt. These snacks provide lasting energy, satisfy cravings, and round out your meal with extra nutrients. Preparing them at home is almost always cheaper than buying snacks on the go.
Keeping lunch interesting and healthy.
Rotate flavors, textures, and colors to avoid lunchtime boredom. Use herbs, spices, and sauces to boost taste without extra cost. By mixing and matching ingredients, you can enjoy a variety of healthy, budget-friendly lunches that keep you nourished and excited for mealtime each day.